Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding the name field itself. Open your Google form and add a new question immediately, choosing short answer. Label it clearly as name so respondents know what to enter. Once added, make sure to toggle required so nobody can submit without filling it. This is the single, direct method to capture names in a quiz. Also place the name question near the top so it appears first. That prevents anonymous starts and keeps your records consistent. Next, enforce and clarify how you want the name entered. Add a short description like first and last name and an example format to reduce variations. If you need a specific format, use response validation. Text contains or minimum length to catch blanks or single letters. Once done, move the name question to the first position or its own section so it's visible. That improves completion accuracy and keeps answers uniform for export to sheets. Finally, verify that names are captured correctly. Preview the quiz and submit test responses, then open responses and create or view the linked spreadsheet to confirm a name column appears. If names are missing in real submissions, make sure the name question is still required and visible on all sections. Collaborators might have edited it. One key troubleshooting tip: if some entries are blank, filter responses and confirm the question wasn't accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.